Hello, and welcome back to this motherhood space. Today, I wanted to share how I still drink coffee while having severe anxiety. I had my first anxiety attack at 27. I had no idea what it was, and it woke me out of my sleep. I thought I was having a heart attack. From that point on, anxiety started ruling my life. It increasingly got worse. I had frequent visits to the emergency room. When I got married, it got even worse. Hey Siri, play Hillsong United.
Okay, here's Hillsong United.
I was newly married, first time living outside of my parents' home, working and going to school full time. I began having anxiety and panic attacks that consisted all day, every day. My body was shutting down, and I was afraid I was headed towards depression. The changes I made without any medication changed my life. One of the first things I began doing was slowing down. I wake up each morning with the goal of living slow. I set my atmosphere with non-toxic candles. I love listening to worship music and using my diffusers. I like adding lavender to keep the calm and lemon to keep the fresh. I've made making coffee part of a relaxing and soothing routine instead of rushing through it. Sometimes the convenience of Nespressos or Keurigs aid in a rushed lifestyle. Waking up rushed and quickly making coffee has already equipped your body for flight. So I've allowed coffee to be another representation of calm. I find joy in the process of making coffee this way.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why?
Finding out the root of my anxiety was also important. My root was lack of trust in my body, lack of trust in God, and the realization that I wasn't in control. As a woman of faith, I knew I needed to really zone in on why I wasn't trusting God. He needed to be my rock. So spending time with Him and really knowing Him changed my life. Anytime I felt panicked, I would go right into prayer. I relied on Christ completely. and I spend time with him every morning. I really began looking back on the times that God has seen me through. I looked back on the times that He'd been faithful, and I allowed those moments to be what shaped my idea of Him, and knowing that I could trust Him. Sometimes as Christians, we know we're supposed to trust God, so we never really deal with the fact that maybe we don't, and find out why we don't. Because learning that I wasn't in control and that I never was the most eye-opening thing and scary thing until I learned that it was okay and much better that I wasn't in control. Lastly, and another important step was changing what I put in and on my body. So many things affect our hormones, and once I learned more about food and its effects, I became passionate about a healthy lifestyle. I cut out processed foods, dairy, simple carbs. I added lots of fruits and vegetables. And I just took joy in making healthy, nutritious, whole foods. After making these changes in my diet, I saw so many amazing effects, not just in my anxiety, but just in my life, my body as a whole. I just felt like I was stronger, I felt healthier, I felt just better all around, and those changes have stuck with me to this day. I enjoy the morning light. I read books. I listen to the rain. I've slowed down. I hope this helps someone out there that's watching this right now. I would love to do more videos like this, and I have a video coming soon on how I prepare myself for a slow living day. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope it was helpful. Stay tuned for the videos I have coming up, and subscribe down below. Thank you so much.